Hello friends, good morning all of you. Myself Yogesh Swami, lecturer at Bharatiya School Sikar. Today I will teach you agriculture. Agriculture in topic rice paddy, cultivation of rice paddy. As you know, this is an important topic in board exam. The rice botanical name is Oryza sativa and family Poaceae gramineae या grass family. Native place of rice Indo-Burma and importance of rice seed. Carbohydrate content percentage in rice seed 77 to 79 percentage and protein rich 11 percentage and fat to 2.5 percentage in rice seed. Cultivation area in Rajasthan. Cultivation area of rice in Rajasthan, Kota, Sri Ganganagar, Hanumangarh, Udaipur, and India is first cultivation country after China, and productivity highest China after India, and in India productivity of rice highest Punjab and geographic cultivation area West Bengal. Next, climate. The suitable climate of rice cultivation is tropical and moist climate. Yeah, hot and moisture climate is more suitable for rice cultivation, and 20 to 25 degrees centigrade is suitable temperature range for growth. Next, soil requirement. Black soil is more suitable for rice cultivation and soil pH range is 5.5 to 7.5 mid, and good water drainage system and good organic material percentage for more production. Manure and fertilizer requirement of rice crop 10 to 15 ton FIM farmyard manure and nitrogen 120 kg per hectare, phosphorus 60 kg per hectare and potash 40 kg per hectare. Application method of manure and fertilizer is manure and fertilizer, farmyard manure and phosphorus and potash. Yeah, full dose of FIM and full dose of phosphorus and full dose of potash use at the time of preparation, and nitrogen supply in third part. One part use manure FIM and phosphorus and potash and other part according to requirement. Nitrogen supply by ammonium fertilizer because nitrogen rice crop nitrogen observe in ammonia. Next, varieties, it's very important. Varieties, normal varieties Ratna, Jaya, Basmati 370, Kaveri, Chambal. For suitable variety for direct sowing, sowing are used two methods, transplanting and direct sowing. The suitable variety for direct sowing Bala and Pusa 221. Bala and Pusa 221 variety suitable for direct sowing. Hybrid varieties Pant hybrid paddy 1, HRI 120, PRH10. PRH means Pusa rice hybrid developed by Pusa Delhi, Indian Agriculture Research Delhi. And sowing time, sowing method of rice. Sowing method of rice generally two types. One, direct sowing. In this method use two methods, broadcasting and by seed drill. Seed requirement in broadcasting method 100 kg per hectare and seed requirement by seed drill 60 kg per hectare. And second method is by transplanting. Transplanting method, wheat and dry method. In this method nursery field are requirement for 1 hectare 1 upon 10 hectare या 1000 meter square. You know 1 hectare in 10,000 meter square. 10,000 part 10 is 1000 meter square, and plant prepare for transplanting in 20 to 25 days In this method, row to row plant distance is 20 meter and P to P plant to plant distance is 25 centimeter and row to row between distance is 20 meter. Next method, DEPOG method. This method is approved by IRRI, Indian International Rice Research Institute, जो Manila, Philippines, located at Manila, Philippines, developed by IRRI. In this methods, plant prepare for transplanting in 11 to 14 days. This method is very popular in South India, mostly Andhra Pradesh. In this method, seed requirement 1.5 to 3.0 kg per meter square. Per meter square. 1.5 to 3.0 kg per meter square. And sowing time. In India, generally sowing in 3 seasons. Season according to As, Aman and Boro. As, this is a Sanskrit word. As means early. And Aman a Arabic word, this meaning safe या अपन कह सकते हैं सुरक्षित. सीधी भाषा में अपन कहें अस जो शब्द है वो संस्कृत भाषा का है, असु शब्द से बना है जिसका अर्थ होता है जल्दी या अर्ली. अमन शब्द जो है वो अरबिक भाषा का है जिसका अर्थ होता है सुरक्षित या सेफ. और बोरो, दिस इज ए लोकल वर्ड, मीन्स ऑफ बोरो लेट. अकॉर्डिंग टू फॉर्मूला, अब देखिए आप यहाँ बात समझने की है. मजनू का सनम, ये जो फॉर्मूला है अपन को बुआई का समय और कटाई का समय, सोविंग ऑफ टाइम ऑफ सोविंग एंड टाइम ऑफ हार्वेस्टिंग दोनों याद करने के लिए इजी रखता है. जैसे अपन कहें मजनू, तो मजनू का मतलब है बुआई का समय, सनम का मतलब है कटाई. मजनू बुआई करता है, सनम कटाई करता है. जैसे मजनू मई, जून, नवंबर. अस सीजन के लिए सुटेबल टाइम है मई, सुटेबल टाइम फॉर अमन जून, and suitable time sowing time for Boro November. And harvesting time of us September, harvesting time of Aman November and harvesting time of Boro is March. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको अच्छे तरह से समझ में आया होगा. आगे अपन पढ़ेंगे management of manure and fertilizer, management of irrigation and management of weed control. Seed treatment is very necessary prevention for insect and disease like fungal disease and bacterial blight disease. Seed treatment for rice, 2% normal salt. Use normal salt for rice crop seed, protection from bacterial blight disease, any insect, and carbendazim 2.5 gram per hectare per kg seed used for seed treatment. Next, irrigation या water management. Rice या पेड़ी इरिगेशन मैनेजमेंट या वाटर मैनेजमेंट के लिए एक कहावत है कि सठी होवे 60वें दिन जब पानी मिले हर 8वें दिन. यूँ कहा जाता है कि इसको यदि हर 8वें दिन से पानी की सप्लाई अपन करते जाएं तो लगभग 60 या 65 दिन में प्रिपेयर हो जाती है. तो इरिगेशन मैनेजमेंट, टोटल वाटर रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ राइस 900 to 2500 mm या 90 to 125 centimeter. The water supply according to critical period. The critical period of paddy is botting stage and tillering stage. Critical period means a stage crop very more requirement of water. In these conditions, water cannot supply be harmful effect on crop production. Next, intercultivation या weed management. Mostly popular weed in rice crop, wild rice and sawa. For control this weed, use Micheti after 6 to 4 days transplanting and butaclor weedicide are used. disease management of rice, blast of rice disease caused by fungal. In this disease plants remain dwarf and brown spot present on plant leaf. Brown spot disease caused by fungal. In this disease ears and plant leaf present brown spot, round brown spot, and khera disease. This disease caused by deficiency of zinc. Production for this disease 25 kg zinc sulfate used per hectare before the crop sowing. And harvesting when grains are hard paddy should be rapid and from wrapping properly water should be drained out of 10 to 15 days. खेत से पानी है वो निकाल देना चाहिए, खेत में पानी देना बंद कर देना चाहिए जब फसल पकने वाली हो 10 से 15 दिन तक. फिर जनरली यील्ड फ्रॉम इम्प्रूव्ड वेराइटीज 35 to 45 क्विंटल पर हेक्टर एंड फॉर नॉर्मली वेराइटीज 25 to 30 क्विंटल पर हेक्टर. गिव फ्रॉम नॉर्मली वेराइटीज यील्ड 25 to 30 क्विंटल पर हेक्टर एंड for improved varieties 35 to 45 quintal per hectare. And other important questions: super rice developed by J.S. Khush, and golden rice, good source of vitamin A या carotene, and D.Z. Wu gene region for dwarf varieties. या अपन ये कह सकते हैं कि जो बोनी किस्में हैं वो डीजी, जैसे अपन बात करें कि वेराइटी TN1 एंड TN1 वेराइटी जिसको विश्व का जादुई चावल कहा जाता है, मैजिकल राइस ऑफ ऑल वर्ल्ड, प्रिपेयर्ड बाय D.Z. Wu cross Peta. And TN1, TN18 and magical variety of in India Jaya variety, and mutant variety Jagannath is a mutant variety. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि राइस की क्रॉप आपको अच्छी तरह से समझ में आएगी. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अपन पढ़ने वाले हैं वीट, सोरगम, मेज़, इन सब क्रॉप्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.